bird. Put a bird on it.
Just have to hit the button. Now it's recording.
Yeah.
All the dogs come.
Snappy there.
It's your little birdie. If you put water in it, though, it gobbles. Oh, here. Let's see it. That's the birdie. Put more water in it.
That's pretty cool.
Oh.
Yeah. Blow on his little tail. Or you drink it. Or you drink it. Or you drink the water out of his little tail. That works too.